Hey guys, welcome to TechAbro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you change email on Spotify 2024. So to change email on Spotify, just launch a Spotify app. Now after you have launched the Spotify app, just click the top left your profile icon. Now click on settings and privacy, the last option here. Now after that, just go to your email option, the second one. Now after going here, all you need to do is just change your email address. Give anything you want, your other email addresses, and after that all you need to do is just give your Spotify password. So just give your Spotify password to confirm it, and after that just click on save. And by this way you can just change your email on Spotify. So guys, that's how you can change email on Spotify. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.